Hey guys, hope you're having an excellent day today. I'm doing pretty good. Today we're doing part 11 of the castle build log. I only had pretty much Wednesday free to build this week, but I still managed to get a good chunk of work done on the lower right corner and a little bit towards the upper right corner, but fortunately I ran out of Duplo bricks, which is what I've been using for a lot of the underlayment, the foundations. So hopefully I'll be able to figure out some creative solutions. Anyway, we can dive into what's been completed and what we'll be working on hopefully in the next video here. So most of what I was able to get done this week was on the right side of the road over here, over towards where the foresters' forest and their hideout will be once it's hopefully completed. We've got some areas of lower dark green plates, kind of like the ones over here. So hopefully we can spread out the dark green color so that it's not just concentrated in one area, so that'll be good. And then we got some reddish brown, dark brown, and a little bit of dark tan and olive green patches here and there. I'm gonna hopefully add a few more over there as well. And those are supposed to convey fallen leaves because it's gonna be a fall autumn scene here, so that will hopefully look good. And I'm going to hopefully incorporate some of these dark brown leaves that I recently got. My order just came in this morning actually, so I can put some of those in there. And this rock scene over here is going to be the mountain in which the forester's hideout is going to be. And I'm hoping to have a little eating area, some barrels and some treasure chests and kind of, you know, gold and loot and stuff all around. So it's going to look not necessarily like a pirate scene, but like definitely like where thieves would gather and store all their valuables that they've taken. And over here on the end here, it's going to have a little ramp. Kind of like those older Forester sets, they had a little hideaway mountain. I'm not sure what the set number or set name is, but I just remember seeing it. So hopefully it kind of looked like a Forester hideout. And then on top of that, just a layer of rock and then maybe another layer depending on how many slopes and pieces I have. And then hopefully a tree and a tree house on top of that to finish it off. So I think it'll look good. Still a lot of work to go on there. So over in this corner, there's a little bit less to see. Like I said earlier, I ran out of Duplo bricks, which is what I was using primarily for my filler stuff. So that has caused a considerable slowdown, but hopefully I'll be able to find some more filler bricks here soon. I have to sort some of my Legos actually. But I've got this final edge of the smaller lake finished off, so that looks good. And that will lead into where some of the village buildings will be placed. I need to finish off the road here. I think that'll be pretty easy now that it's mostly done. Then I can start to work on the foundations of the village here too. Yeah, that's about it for this side here. And that is about what we have for today. Wanted to briefly say thank you guys for all the comments and suggestions and advice. It's very, very helpful. So hopefully it will help me improve the quality of the creation, help me weed out all the issues and problems that people would see in the finished product. So keep those coming, really useful. I can't incorporate all of them, but I'm definitely trying to use as much of the advice that I get as possible to help it look the best thing it can be. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. You have an excellent day, stay classy, and enjoy your Lego pieces.